In this video, I'm making blue fire. The first step is to put in some dilute hydrochloric acid, which is often sold as muriatic acid. I put in about 75 milliliters. Then I'm getting some copper sulfate, and I am putting a few scoops in. It doesn't matter too much, but if you put in more, it'll be a larger reaction and it'll go for longer. The solution is green instead of blue like copper sulfate usually is, because some copper chloride forms when copper sulfate is exposed to hydrochloric acid. Now I'm getting some aluminum foil, and I'm putting in small balls. The reaction starts pretty quickly, not immediately, but you can see lots of steam starting to come out. Since the reaction goes pretty quickly, I tried to light a match almost immediately so that we wouldn't lose too much hydrogen. Unlike many other reactions involving hydrogen burning, this one usually takes a while to go out. So there are a lot of reactions going on here, but there are three main ones. First, the copper sulfate is reacting with the aluminum, and that's producing aluminum sulfate and copper. Then the aluminum starts reacting with the hydrochloric acid, and that makes aluminum chloride and hydrogen gas. Then, when we ignite the hydrogen gas, it excites the copper ions in the copper sulfate, and that's why the fire is blue. You can see it's releasing a lot of fumes, and that's not just hydrogen. It's also boiling the hydrochloric acid because of the heat. So there is some hydrochloric acid vapor in there. If you do this yourself, definitely try not to breathe in the fumes. They really burn. Thanks for watching.